Hey guys, it's Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993, locally owned, veteran operated business. We're out on this home inspection, and of course we got a louvered vent cover. Of course you see the grids in there and you see there's 100% occlusion. Notice the warping right here. This is wide open for birds to get into. So we pull that off, and I don't know if you can see that, but I mean, that's just horrible. Cut that grid out and birds go right in there. So we're going to replace that today. But notice that all this is built up right here. Now this customer's dryer has burned up or blew a fuse twice now. So it was recommended that we clean it first. So we're going to go ahead and clean it before they come out and fix it again. But notice I got an air blower on this, and there's a lot of air coming out, and you see stuff blowing out. But if you look right there. Let me see if I can get close enough. I don't know if you can see it, but there is just stuff caked on the side. That's why a blower is not sufficient. Now watch what happens once we introduce So there's a lot of people that think, oh, I'll just use an air blower or a leaf blower and that works, but notice that's not true. I mean, we're 4 feet in and we are blowing stuff everywhere. So just having a leaf blower doesn't work. You have to get in there, you have to scrub this pipe out. And that's why it's best to have a certified dryer exhaust technician handle this for you. Because a certified dryer exhaust technician, they don't cut corners, they do what they need to do. This is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions. We are a locally owned, veteran operated business. And we're just breaking this loose right now. Now you can hear the blower, it's so much louder now. And because you hear that blower, that is exactly why we have to scrub it out, because you can hear that we've broke it loose. Now this is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, and if we get in here and look, all that stuff is broke off now. That's what you need to do. This is Scott with Safe Dryer Vent Solutions, 317-430-3993. Locally owned, veteran operated business. Do you know what's inside your vent? Call me, I'll show you.